Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you all are doing good today. Dear learners, we know that a vibration is nothing but to and fro or back and forth motion of the body. Do you know what produces sound? It is vibration that produces sound. So if we set any body into vibration, it will give us some sound. Some vibrations we can clearly see, but some we can't. For example, do you hear the buzzing when the mosquito is close to your ears? Ever wondered how the sound is made? The sound is because of the flapping of wings by a mosquito. Yes, the wings of a mosquito are vibrating, and it's this vibration that produces the buzz we hear. Let us do one experiment. Take a string and hold both its ends in your hands like this. Stretch the string such that it does not form any curve in the middle. Now tell your friend to pluck the string from the center. Do you see the string vibrating? Yes, the string vibrates and you probably have heard some sound too. Now let us do one more experiment. Take a frying pan. Strike the frying pan with the spoon like this. Do you hear the sound? Yes, you do. But do you see the pan or spoon vibrating? Not really. But you can feel the spoon vibrating in your hand. If you touch the pan immediately after the strike, you will feel that the pan is also vibrating. Wait for the vibration to stop and then pour some water into the pan. We see that nothing happens to the water. Now strike the pan again. Do you see something strange now? These strange things are called waves. They are generated because of the vibration in the pan. So, there are some vibrations that we are able to see and some vibrations that we can only feel. Dear learners, in this video we saw that vibrations produce sound. Jazakallah and happy learning!